Okay, in this video I want to show you how to draw the circle. Okay, to draw the circle, just type C. C stand for circle. Press enter. Okay, specify the center point. I click, this is the center point of the circle. Okay, then you bring your cursor like this. Okay, so now the instruction is you need to put the radius. So I want to put the radius of the circle is 80, for example. Press enter. Okay, so the radius of the circle is 80. Alright, let I show to you the another method to draw the circle. Okay, type circle, press enter, click on the center. Okay, now I want to enter the diameter. This is the radius. I want to enter the diameter, so I type D like this, press enter. So the instruction is I need to put the diameter. So I want to put the diameter of the circle is 160. Press enter. Okay, so this I put the radius is 80, and this I put the diameter is 160. So it's the same, the radius is same. This is 80, this is 80. Okay, alright, so let I show to you the another method to draw the circle. Okay, you can see over here the circle icon. Click on the right here. Okay, click here. Okay, so this is 2 point. Okay, I click to the 2 point. So I specify the first point of the circle, then second point of the circle like this. Okay, alright, so simple. Okay, then I show you the 3 point circle. Okay, I just click to the 3 point circle. The 3 point is first point, second point, third point. Okay, first point, second point, third point. Okay, so this is 2 point, this is 3 point. Alright, okay, so next I want to show you how to draw the tangent radius circle. Okay, alright, I click to the tangent radius. Okay, I specify point on object for first tangent of angle. Okay, I specify the first point, click, and then second point. Then I specify the radius of the circle is 60, for example. Press enter. Alright, so the radius is 60. This is the tangent. This is tangent. Okay, that's what we call it as a tangent radius. Okay, tangent radius, tangent. This is radius. Okay, so next we want to draw the tangent. So you can saw the preview. Yeah, we need to find the three line in order to make it tangent. Okay, let I show to you how. So I delete this. Okay, I draw the line like this. Okay, first line, second line, third line. Press enter. Okay, I want to show you how to draw the circle with tangent. There are 3 tangent. This is 2 tangent, then we need to specify the radius. This is 3 tangent. Okay, alright, so simply I click here, first tangent, second tangent, third tangent. So automatically the circle is created over here. Okay, alright, so I erase this line and also this line. Okay, alright, so okay, thanks for watching. Hope you understand about my explanation to draw the circle in AutoCAD. Okay, thank you, bye bye.